Before letting you know anything, you just see the earning proof. I have earned $60 in less than a week. I literally didn't do anything to get this amount. All I did was let an app consume my unused data, and in return, that app has paid me $60. Sounds interesting, right? Just watch this video to the end. In this video, I have shown you the best method to sell your unused internet data and make money out of it. If you follow and watch this video completely, then I can guarantee you guys that you will make more than $500 passively, just by relaxing. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser and enter this website. Its name is repocket.co, and it basically pays you when you let their app consume your unused data. It has got a clean and minimalistic interface, and it has really an eye-catchy design. They have also provided an estimated earning calculator to calculate your potential income. If you have 2 devices and you let them use your 2 gigabytes of data, then you would earn around $24 per month. If you have 10 devices and you let them use your 10 gigabytes of data per day, then you would earn $600, which is literally a good amount. They say that this is an estimated monthly earning. According to my experience, they would pay you roughly around $520, which is also quite a good amount. You just have to turn on the app, and that's it. They will consume your data in the background while you use your mobile normally. I recommend you use this app at night while you sleep. I followed the same way to earn those dollars. Let's see the sign-up process. You just need to click on the Create Account option, and you will be asked to enter certain details, like your username, email, and password. After this, you will get a confirmation code in your email. You can click and confirm your account to log into this website. Once you've logged in, you will be rewarded with $5. This is literally amazing. You can consider this a gift from me. Here you will find an option for payout. The minimum payout threshold is $20. They have already given you $5, and you just need to earn $15 to get paid from this website. Basically, there are 2 ways to earn money from this website. One is by selling your data, and the other is by referring to your friends and family. Trust me, referral is also a quite powerful way to earn money. Whenever your referred user takes their payment out, you will be rewarded with $5 as a bonus, and you will also get their 10% lifetime income. Let me show you how you can earn money by selling your unused data. You just need to click on this download button to download their respective software for their respective platform. It is available in almost all the operating systems, like Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, etc. You just need to download and give them the permissions required, and that's it. You are good to go. You don't need to do anything. You can sit back and relax while your earnings increase automatically. I know you guys might have some questions regarding this website. Let's get to know about it. You can totally trust this website. They don't breach your privacy or try sharing your IP address with others. Your internet is basically used for research purposes. Many organizations tend to use your internet to research multiple technologies. Let's talk about the average income potential of this website. Consider that you have unlimited internet or you have Wi-Fi installed in your place. You might have a total of 6 devices in your family. If you use all of them wisely, then you can easily earn more than $300 without doing anything. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If it has, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment down your thoughts, share this video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to earn more, then watch this video. Earn and rejoice.